Hello, second graders. Welcome. Today we're going to learn about sum and difference. But before we get started, I just want to teach you some things that we're going to do in the video. When you see me go like this, that means for you to pause the video so that you can try to solve it yourself. You can show your work, and then you can press play when you're ready to come back and do it with me. Okay? So we're going to learn about sum and difference today. Sum is the answer to an addition problem. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 is the sum. Part plus part equals whole. The whole is sum. A difference is when it's the answer to a subtraction problem. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. 4 is the difference. It could also be the distance or the space between two numbers. So 3 plus unknown equals 7. 4 is the space between the 3 and the 4. How many jumps it takes to get from 3 to 4. So now that we've reviewed sum and difference, now we can put it into practice with our word problem. London was playing a video game and she had 43 points. Manosky had 29 points. What is the sum of their scores? So we have to think we could do a part plus part equals whole if you choose to. We definitely need to do an equation, we need to show our work, and we need to label our answer. So I want you to think about that and pause. Welcome back. So hopefully you had a chance to think about it. Now we can solve it together. So London was playing. Okay, we're just going to go with that. London was playing a video game and she had 43 points. Manosky had 29 points. What is the sum of their scores? Okay, so I know that the sum means the answer to an addition problem. So that means here I know my parts. I know that London had a part and Manosky had a part. And so now I'm going to put their parts together to find the sum. So that means London's part is 43. Manosky's part is 29. And the sum is the unknown. So I can do part plus part equals whole. 43 plus 29 equals unknown. Now, you could use any strategy. You could use base 10 block drawing. You can use open number line. You could do expanded form. I'm going to start off with the base 10 block drawing. I'm going to draw 43, 4 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 1s. 1, 2, 3 1s. I'm going to draw 29, 2 10s, and 9 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I can count it all up, but I noticed that I have more than 10 ones here, so I can regroup 10 ones and turn that into a 10. So it's more efficient to count. Let's see, I have 3 ones up here. I can use 7 ones from down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, 6, 7. Okay. Now I can count it up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Switch. 71, 72. 72. So the sum of their scores is 72, but I have to label that answer. 72 what? Point. The question was asking what's the sum of their scores. Their score was the in points. So 72 points. Awesome. Now we'll do this one. Sharanya was playing a video game and she had 55 points. Xavier had 36 points. What is the sum of their scores? While you think about it and show your work, I want you to pause. Welcome back. So hopefully you did a part whole if you wanted to, an equation, showed your work, and labeled your answer. So let's see, we have, I'll do a part whole. We're trying to find the sum, and we know the two parts. So 55 is Sharanya's score, 36 is Xavier's score, and I'm trying to figure out the sum of their two scores. So I can do part plus part equals whole. 55 plus 36 equals unknown. I can do in a base 10 block drawing. If you did a different strategy, that's fine. You can just check your work with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so it's 5 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, then 3 10s, 1, 2, 3, and then 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I see that I have more than 10 ones, so I can regroup. I have 5 ones up here, and I just need 5 more to get to 10, so I'm going to circle this 5. Now I can just count it more efficiently. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, switch, 91. 91. And can't forget to label that answer. 91 was. What is the sum of their scores? So their score was 91 points. All right. We did it. We did it. Okay, time for quick check. Jimena found 49 coins at the park. Sebastian found 37 coins at the park. What is the sum of the coins they found? So I want you to solve this in your journal, and then you're going to choose the correct answer, and then you can post it on Seesaw. And after you do your quick check, then you can do the math independent work on Seesaw. It's 1026 math, and you can play the instructions if you want to hear me read the questions out loud to you. So post the quick check on Seesaw and post your independent work on Seesaw. Good luck.